children get a flu? Every year. Correct answer is A, blood, B, sore, C, vaccine, or D, checkup.
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Today we'll learn useful words and phrases about going to the doctor. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Appointment. An appointment is a planned time to meet with a doctor or dentist. 2. Symptoms. Symptoms are signs that you are sick, like a cough or fever. 3. Fever. A fever is when your body temperature is higher than normal. 4. Cough. A cough is a sudden sound your throat makes when it's irritated. 5. Sore throat. A sore throat is pain or discomfort in your throat. 6. Headache. A headache is pain in your head. 7. Prescription. A prescription is a note from the doctor to get medicine. 8. Pharmacy. A pharmacy is a place where you get medicine. 9. Patient. A patient is someone getting medical help. 10. Checkup. A checkup is a regular health exam with your doctor. 11. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of your blood in your body. 12. Allergy. An allergy is a bad reaction to something like dust or food. 13. Vaccine. A vaccine protects you from getting sick. 14. Injection. An injection is when medicine is put into your body with a needle. 15. Temperature. Your temperature tells how hot or cold your body is. 16. Emergency. An emergency is a sudden, serious health problem. 17. Nurse. A nurse helps the doctor and cares for patients. 18. Examine. To examine means to look at a patient's body carefully. 19. Painkiller. A painkiller is medicine that stops pain. 20. Medical history. Medical history is a record of your past health problems. 21. Flu. Flu is a common virus that causes fever and tiredness. 22. Cold. A cold is a minor illness with sneezing and a runny nose. 23. Dizzy. If you feel dizzy, the room seems to spin and you may lose balance. 24. Sore. Sore means painful or tender. 25. Infection. An infection happens when harmful germs enter your body. 26. Rest. Rest means to relax and not be active. 27. Stomachache. A stomachache is pain in your belly. 28. Thermometer. A thermometer measures your body temperature. 29. Diagnosis. A diagnosis is the doctor's opinion about what illness you have. 30. Clinic. A clinic is a small medical center for treatment.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go!
1. I have a dentist. At 3 p.m.
Correct answer is appointment.
2. He had flu, so he stayed home.
Correct answer is symptoms.
3. She has a of 38.5 degrees Celsius.
Correct answer is fever.
4. He couldn't sleep because of his bad.
Correct answer is cough.
5. Drinking warm tea helped my throat.
Correct answer is sore.
6. I took some medicine for my
Correct answer is headache.
7. The doctor gave me a for antibiotics.
Correct answer is prescription.
8. She went to buy her pills.
Correct answer is pharmacy.
9. The doctor called the next.
Correct answer is patient.
10. I go for once a year.
Correct answer is checkup.
11. The nurse checked my pressure.
Correct answer is blood.
12. She has a peanut.
Correct answer is allergy.
13. Children get a flu every year.
Correct answer is vaccine.
14. He got a painkiller.
Correct answer is injection.
15. My is normal now.
Correct answer is temperature.
16. Call 911 in a medical.
Correct answer is emergency.
17. The gave me a bandage.
Correct answer is nurse.
18. The doctor. My ears.
Correct answer is examine.
19. She took a for her back pain.
Correct answer is painkiller.
20. The doctor asked about my History.
Correct answer is medical.
21. Many students got the last week.
Correct answer is flu.
22nd. I caught a after walking in the rain.
Correct answer is cold.
23. He felt after standing up quickly.
Correct answer is dizzy.
24. My muscles are after the gym.
Correct answer is sore.
25. The doctor said I had an ear.
Correct answer is infection.
26. You need to get better.
Correct answer is rest.
27. She had a after lunch.
Correct answer is stomach ache.
28th. Use A to check for fever.
Correct answer is thermometer.
29th. He gave me of sinus infection.
Correct answer is diagnosis.
30. I went to the local for help.
Correct answer is clinic. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Good morning. I have an appointment at 9 o'clock with Dr. Lee.
Welcome. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Hello, what brings you in today?
I've had a bad cough and a fever since yesterday.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, a sore throat and a little headache.
Let me examine you. I'll check your temperature and blood pressure.
Okay.
Your temperature is 38.6 degrees Celsius. That's a bit high.
I also feel really dizzy when I stand up.
Could be the flu or a cold, but I want to be sure.
Should I go to the clinic for a test?
No need. I'll give you a prescription and some painkillers.
Thank you. Can I get them at the pharmacy nearby?
Yes, they should have everything. Are you allergic to anything?
I have a mild allergy to penicillin.
Good to know. I'll give you a different antibiotic.
I hope this goes away soon. I need to go back to work.
You need to rest for a few days.
Okay, I will.
If your symptoms get worse, come back for another checkup.
Will do.
Also, make sure to drink fluids and avoid others. It could be contagious.
Got it. Is it an infection?
Yes, probably a mild one, nothing serious.
Thanks. What about the vaccine? Should I take it later?
Yes, after you recover. The flu vaccine is important every year.
Okay, I'll go to the pharmacy and fill my prescription.
Here you go. Just follow the instructions.
What's the diagnosis exactly?
A viral infection, possibly the flu.
Thank you. I'll also update my medical history later.
Great. Take care and call us in case of emergency.
I will. Bye. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon.